low carb pancakes than breakfast with my girls. Good morning, Michael. Carb quick. We're gonna make some low carb pancakes. What we need is the carb quick, which is the box. Want to show them the box, hon? Up to the thing. Keto friendly, 90% fewer carbs. We took 2 cups of that, and we're gonna add the egg into the water, and we're gonna mix it up. It's hard to mix in that little thing, huh? Just a little bit. And then we're gonna add all the ingredients and incorporate them with the red spatula into the bowl. Oh, honey. Put them all in the bowl now. Don't put the butter in there yet. Put that in there. Right in front of you, there's a red spatula, but you don't need it yet. Pour the butter in there. Live with Me Gina Marie. Put your butter. And what the recipe says is, oops, let me get here. Oops, I'm showing the mixing of the batter. What does the recipe say? We're new at this too, this new carb thing. Oh, okay. 2 cups of carb quick, 1 whole egg. He put in 1/8 cup of the heavy cream and 1 cup and 1/8 of water as needed. You can make more if you need to make it smoother.
Just gotta pour.
The melted butter, 1 stick, and we got the vegetable spray, which we're gonna put
I already got the pan ready.
the pan and get that ready. So we've already made the muffins. I showed you that in the last video. And today we're making the pancakes. Good job, Michael. Let's see how this goes. Looking good.